could be us.
So back to what I was saying.
Could be us.
What's going on YouTube? What's going on Pyros? Coming with a firework video stash of 2023, my final firework stash. Something simple but big. We're gonna go ahead and get started with some red apple and some leftover fireworks from last year. We got Happy Birthday, some Z Cakes, Escape from LA, Escape from New York. We got PETA, we got Creepy Freak Show, Poke the Bear, Infinity Box. I got DC Universe. I got Kamikaze, Hammer Time, Buck Fever. I got Agent of Boom, 2 of those left. Giant Show, 2 of those. High Rise, 2 of those. I have Reaper Rockets. I got a couple packages of those. I got Welcome to the Jungle Rocket. I got Chroma Shells. I got Cowabunga Shells. I got Donald 2024. I got Kush, Anarchy, Zombie Revenge Shells in there, and Double Jeopardy. I got some more Zombie Returns and Zombie Revenge Shells. I got F&M Mint, 2 of those. All right, let's get bigger. We got Chango. I got Ineffable. I got 2 Midnight Callers. I got Turbo. I got 2 of those. I got Against All Odds. I got Halftime Show. Oh, you want to say hi? Hi. Say hi. I got Pyro Girl. We got a Big Deal. I got Night Owl. I got Easy Money. I got Witch Doctor. I got Captain Spaulding. I got Pyro Bearded. All right, let's get a little bigger. We have Stone Age. Then I have 2 Ratatouilles. And then I have Charging Bull. And I got a Bite of Death. And I got a Porky. That is my stash for this year. Y'all keep showing me y'all stash of y'all videos. Say hi, Pyro Girl. So y'all keep up doing y'all fireworks stash videos. Happy Father's Day, happy 4th of July. So Pyro out.
With no